Welcome to our urgent call for corporate loan partners. We are actively seeking short-term corporate loans, unsecured or equity secured, for a highly liquid company. The loan term is up to 2 years, with an attractive annual interest rate of 10% per annum. The required amount ranges from $1.2 million to $5 million or euros. Our offer includes the possibility of renegotiating even more favorable terms for the lender, including options for a permanent equity partnership with joint management functions. This is a unique opportunity for those looking for a secure, high-yield investment in a rapidly growing business. Proposal structure is designed with flexibility in mind. We not only offer a very good interest rate, but also provide the opportunity for restructuring and renegotiation. Lenders can take advantage of long-term partnership opportunities, including buying out the loan obligations from third parties at higher values by the lender and the borrower. This approach ensures that both parties can adapt to changing market conditions and maximize their returns. We are committed to creating a win-win scenario for both stakeholders involved in this business venture, the lender and the borrower. Business plan is focused on its implementation in the Middle East and North Africa, MENA, and Indochina ASEAN regions. These areas provide significant growth opportunities for our waste management operations. By entering these markets, we aim to leverage our experience and proven business model to achieve rapid growth and high profitability. We invite lenders who are interested in supporting impactful projects in these dynamic regions to join us on this journey. Company Elvida Waste Disposal, GR/BG Ltd, authorized capital, €255 million. Unique identification code, VAT BG 206435729, Official Public Commercial E-Corporate Register, BRRA, February 07, 2021. Operator Waste Disposal, Mobile Incinerators, various types of waste disposal systems. Authorized capital, €255 million. Profit for 2024, €87.7 million. 2 own factories in Europe and 1 in Russia for the production of machinery and equipment with which the company works as an operator for waste disposal, plus 6 transport and logistics bases in 3 European countries, 1,350 full-time employees. CEO and majority owner, Ekaterina Antonova. In order to protect the interests of our creditors, we propose to enter a contractual liability commitment in the commercial register on the shares of the majority owner and manager simultaneously, specifically 52%. This agreement is governed by minutes of the company's general meeting, providing explicit consent and legal clarity. The shares are subject to automatic redemption or elimination based on the maturity of the loan, providing a transparent and enforceable guarantee for all parties involved. Want to be absolutely clear. We do not make a dent of advance payments. No hidden taxes, insurance fees, or processing fees. We are committed to transparency and integrity and do not tolerate any fraudulent activities or attempts to obtain advance funds. Only serious and qualified lenders should proceed, as we have strict requirements and zero tolerance for fraud or unprofessional behavior. To ensure compliance and security, we require all lenders to provide mandatory and irrevocable documentation. This includes proof of origin of funds, POF, anti-money laundering, AML certification, Know Your Customer, KYC verification, or Embassy Certified Document of Authority, DOA. These measures are in place to protect both parties and ensure the legitimacy of all transactions. All funds must be transferred directly to our company's bank account via SWIFT transfer. This is the only accepted method, ensuring a secure and traceable transaction. We do not accept any alternative payment methods, further reinforcing our commitment to transparency and financial integrity throughout the process. Activity is regulated by commercial and civil law, as well as by the law on obligations and contracts in Bulgaria, Greece, and Switzerland. These legal frameworks are publicly available and provide reliable protection for creditors. In case of non-performance, quick and simplified criminal proceedings can be initiated, including seizure of property and bank accounts, as well as public auctions for debt collection. Law on obligations and contracts, and an excellent law based on the activity of private judges executors. Bank certificate as a basis for the transfer is sufficient, indicating the due date of the loan contract declared to the tax authorities, and any subsequent default by the borrower to initiate expedited proceedings against the debtor's assets. In the event of non-payment on time, a private bailiff can seize all liquid assets and bank accounts within 3 days, covering the debt, the agreed interest, and all enforcement costs. This provides an additional level of security for our creditors. The project focuses on hazardous waste disposal and innovative systems, initiated and implemented by the Elvida Waste Disposal Group and its network of companies and NGOs. We are inviting investors to actively participate in a profitable business with guaranteed income, transparent cooperation, and a well-thought-out business model. The project is ready for scaling through bond financing and expansion into new regions. Alvita Waste Disposal GR/BG Limited is a leading waste disposal operator with a registered capital of EUR 255 million. The company is managed by Ekaterina Antonova and operates 2 factories in Europe, with a 3rd large factory in the process of being acquired. Related legal entities, with over 34% shareholding. V Plus signed Special Purpose Vehicle, SPV, registered in Geneva, Switzerland for the purpose of bond financing of 2x $255 million for global project hazardous waste disposal and innovative SYSDMS. From October 12, 2025, in the procedure for registration, licensing and certification of main activity. V Plus sign unit company for operational activities for the needs and goals of ELVITA waste disposal, GR/BG. ACQSITONS, M&A. Bankruptcy processes of third-party legal entities and other aggressive policies in the interests of company ELVITA waste disposal, GR/BG. Heavy Plus sign Marine Cargo Management Company, global licenses, 51% shareholding majority stake. Heavy Plus sign Large Transport Company, 51% share ownership, European licenses, and global practice, over 300 trucks of different classes. Heavy Plus sign owns Security Company, with licenses to operate in 9 European countries. V Plus sign started the process of acquiring an IT and design company, development programs in the space sector. From Europe, 100% share ownership of ELVITA waste disposal, GR/BG, after execution of contract for the development of a system and prototype of an unmanned stratospheric balloon complex of 18 units for MONITORNG emergency, SITOETIONS, related to hazardous waste pollution. Our operational activities include collection, transportation, and disposal of various types of waste, including animal and medical waste, under government contracts. We own 29 mobile incinerators and 68 specialized vehicles, ensuring effective and compliant waste management in Bulgaria, Greece, and other European countries. The production of machinery and equipment, incinerators, in our factories is exclusively for internal use. We maximally protect our patented innovations, thus maintaining high standards and control. Vita Waste Disposal GR/BG is a founder and main sponsor of non-governmental ORGNIZATONS with ideal purpose. These partnerships expand our operational scope and provide additional security for our business model. Our network includes the NGO, Association of Waste Disposal System OPRA2RS, and the NGO Eco Control and Supervision, with Ekaterina Antonova participating in the boards of directors of the NGOs. We are actively seeking to expand our operations in the Persian Peninsula, Middle East and North Africa, and Indochina regions. In partnership with 2 research institutes and other companies and NGOs, a business group has been established for this expansion. With a proven demand and scalable business model, our goal is to multiply the success of our project in new markets. This expansion is supported by our strong operational base and experienced team, ensuring a smooth and profitable transition. Our engineering partner, Waste Spectrum Constructions Manager, is EKATERINA ANTONOVA's husband, is a European company with over 9 years of experience in mechanical engineering, industrial design, and construction. With a team of nearly 300 people, they manage projects from concept to commissioning, ensuring high-quality standards and innovative solutions for our waste management operations. You're also the founders of the Global Research Institute for Hazardous Waste Disposal and Innovation, with a statutory capital of 610 million Swiss francs. This institute leads research and development in the field of hygiene, ecology, and hazardous waste, with projects covering Europe, the USA, Chile, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and Singapore. And partnership co-financing 50-50% together with the EC under the Sustainable Development Program. We're partners in the construction started in May 2025, and the subsequent exploitation of the Sri Institute Hygiene and Ecology Section Laboratory Complex, with a statutory paid-in capital of 380 million euros. Ekaterina Antonova is the chairman of the board of DIRECTORS of this institute. Our business group includes several subsidiaries and non-governmental organizations, such as Waste Spectrum Europe. This organization ACQIRES and manages the long-term assets of ELVITA Waste Disposal GR/BG and carries out operational activities for the benefit and needs of the company. Receives significant financing from its clients for legalization of liquidity and available capital, transfer of financial obligations to third parties, consolidation, inducing bankruptcies to increase liquidity in the securities market, targeted mergers and acquisitions, M&A, and also for management of long-term assets of clients. Its participation provides stable support to our main project. We have established a trust mutual fund in Hong Kong for long-term asset management. This structure is designed to manage long-term and short-term corporate ASSETS and provide stability for our business group and global waste disposal project, ensuring sustainable growth and investor confidence. Project is ready to scale through bond financing with a special purpose vehicle, SPV, registered in Geneva, Switzerland for the strategic objectives of the global business project, which is being implemented by the business group companies and NGOs Elvita W. Taste Disposal GR/BG. This allows for a direct offering of bonds, supporting the investment plan for construction and allowing rapid expansion into new markets. Bond financing provides an attractive option for investors seeking stable returns. Our legal team includes an in-house law firm department with 11 lawyers of different nationalities and 14 assistants, which ensures compliance with the requirements and advocacy of our business interests. This legal structure is designed not only for the global project, but also provides ongoing support for all activities of the business group, reinforcing our commitment to legal and ethical operations. Invite serious investors and lenders to join us in this ambitious and impactful project. With a proven track record, solid legal guarantees, and a clear path to profitability, Elvita Waste Disposal GR/BG and its partners are poised to be leaders in hazardous waste management and innovation. With a global waste management market share of $90 billion together, we can achieve sustainable growth, environmental impact, and exceptional financial returns.